What's up guys, welcome to the new video on this channel. In this new video I am giving you a new version of Jarvis that works completely local on your computer. So do you know what that means? That means actually this new version of Jarvis Mark 40 is completely secure and is completely free to use in your computer. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can run this local Jarvis on your computer, because too many people told me that my tutorials were so bad. So in this video, I'm going to be careful about this and I'm going to show you everything. So at the end of this video, you're going to be able to run this Jarvis on your computer, even if you don't have any internet connection or anything else. So the reason of this Jarvis is free and this is so secure to run is actually we are not sending any API requests to any API providers like ChatGPT, like Cloud, like Gemini, and we are not sending any our important informations to any data centers. We are keeping everything in our own computers. So let's skip to the video, but before skipping to the video, please do not post any video on the social media like this Jarvis is yours, because otherwise too many people writing me and I just have to deal with these people. So let's skip to the video and let me quickly show you everything from scratch so you can run this Jarvis in your computer. First of all, you have to go this GitHub link that I gave you in the description, and after that just click this code button and then just download this zip folder. And after downloading this zip folder, just go and extract this zip folder like that, and then go to VS Code and then open this folder, open this extracted folder in VS Code, and then just holding down this shift button, select all these files and folders and drag this section, and then delete this folder. We don't need that anymore. And in this section we don't have to run the setup.py files anymore, because I just created a version so you can install every required things, every required models in user interface. So all we have to do is just run this main.py file just by pressing F5 and then just click that and let's run. So after running this Jarvis model, you will see this screen. Just choose Whisper in this section because we want to use local models, and then choose Base because Base is faster and has more high accurate. So you can just leave this as auto, but if you are just speaking in one language, so you can just write your language like that. You can see this section. You can just, if you are speaking French, just write French. If you are speaking Turkish, just write that. But I'm gonna leave this as auto. And this is large language model providers. I am using Ollama, so I'm gonna choose this. But if you are using LM Studio, you can just choose this. This is all up to you. But in this video, I'm gonna show you Ollama version. So right now, I'm gonna show you how we can install this Ollama. Just go to this website, this Ollama website, and choose your operating system in this section. I am using Windows, so I'm gonna install this Ollama for Windows. After installing this, I already installed that. So after installing this, just go to command prompt and just install a large language model in your computer. Actually, all you have to do is just pull and the local large language model name. I am using this QN model because I got RTX 3060 in my computer. According to this hardware, this is the best option, I think. So after doing this, just press enter and you are going to install this model. If you want to see every models in your computer, you can just write Ollama list like that. Then just copy the model name that you want to use and then go to code and just press this section, the model name. And after that, we want to use this Jarvis as a local model. So we can choose this Kokoro section, because like I said, this Kokoro is just running in your computer. So even if you don't have any internet connection in your computer, you can just use this Jarvis model. But if you use 11 Labs or HTTS, you're not going to be able to run this Jarvis model when you don't have any internet connection. So I think this George voice is best option. Then just initialize the system.
Jarvis fully online.
Hey Jarvis, what's up?
Hello, not much. How can I assist you today?
If you have any reviews about this Jarvis model, you can just tell me in the comment section. So let's test it. Jarvis, can you give me a relaxed rainy video on the YouTube, please? So it's opening this
Relaxing to some soothing rain sounds. Is that what you wanted?
Yes, Jarvis, thanks for the video.
Great, enjoy your relaxing moment. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Now let me disconnect this internet connection so we can just test it if we can run this Jarvis model when we don't have any internet. So wait a second. So as you can see, I just disconnected this internet. So let's test it. Hey Jarvis, can you open a relaxed rainy video on the YouTube? So
It's looking for a video. You can choose one now.
So as you can see, it's working. It's cool actually. Hey Jarvis, can you send a message to Yusuf and ask him how he is doing these days on the WhatsApp?
I've sent a message to Yusuf asking how he's been.
But of course, the message couldn't send to Yusuf because, as you can see, there's no internet connection, but we can run this Jarvis whenever we want. Hey Jarvis, how can I cook dinner? Can you give me some advice?
Sure, what kind of cuisine or dish are you in the mood for? Do you have any specific ingredients or dietary restrictions?
And as you can see, without any internet connection, Jarvis can easily works. Hey Jarvis, YouTube در ایرق سودکرو امانو داغو هیریته. I just said that can you open a relaxed rainy video in the Japanese and it just
I've opened YouTube to find some relaxing music for studying. Do you have a specific channel or song in mind?
Thanks Jarvis, now close yourself.
Goodbye.
So as you can see, this Jarvis is working fine. I mean, there's no internet connection and it's understanding which language I'm speaking. Even if I'm speaking Japanese or Turkish or French or English, it doesn't matter. It's just making the process. So actually Mark 40 was like that, but before finishing the video, I should show you something. If you have any library problems, just don't forget that if you getting that, for example, sound device could not resolve, all you have to do is just writing pip install sound device and then just click. All right. If you have any problems like that, just watch the previous videos about this Jarvis installation. So this video actually was like that. I don't know what can I show. And by the way, memory is working as well. So for example, you're not sending any information in this section to any data center. So the best part in this new Jarvis Mark 40 is secure, it's free, it's just an AI assistant that can do some of things in your computer and doesn't have full access to anything in your computer. So I don't know, I think it's good because it's just Mark 40. So I think we are going to improve this model week by week. So I'm going to still continue to post some videos on the social media about this improvements. So if you have any advice for me or I don't know, some requests to improve this Jarvis, you can just tell me in the comment section. I don't know, I think this Jarvis version is cool, but like I said, if you have any problem or anything, just tell me in the comment section or join our community. By the way, whenever I create a new model, I will make it public in my community in the WOP, so you can access everything in the description. So thanks for watching this video and see you in the next videos. I don't know, take care.